Yeah, hello, yes, so I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord, you can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so I've been talking about this auto trade for beginners. Yeah, so this boats auto trade for you. If you don't have time to learn crypto arbitrage the manual way and you want the bot to auto trade for you, yeah, this is the right time to get the bot for just $45 to for it to auto trade for you. Or if you join my class this coming 29th of this month, yeah, you'll be getting everything for just $20. The class kit is $20 and you'll be getting the free bots. Yeah, I'll be giving the bots for you for free. Yeah, so that you can use it to join the class and we're making money together as well. Yeah. So when I open the boat like this, yeah, first of all, this boat is not an investment boat. It's not an investment platform. This one is what? A trading boat. Yeah. So you just have to deposit for the boat to work for you and you pay the boat at the end. So it's not for investment. It's not an investment boat. And it doesn't promise you any higher returns or anything. Yeah. Because I think from next month to like their spread will be working and you will get making more money from the boat as well. Yeah. So when I open here, you see that we have regular, total, arbitrage and withdrawal, right? Yeah. So when you go to your deposit and you deposit in your boat, it will be in a regular, but you can't use the regular to trade unless you transfer from regular wallet to arbitrage wallet. So that's the first one. So when you transfer, it will add up to the first one. Yeah. So it will add up to the arbitrage wallet. And when you scroll down here, you see that we have the demo. That's for beginners if you want to use the demo to trade. Yeah. And we also have what? The real. I'm going with the real. And they have the spread. The spread. Currently, the spread is not working currently. The spread is not working currently. Yeah, because when it selects 3%, you should be making more than 3%. But they say that the spread is not working currently. It will be working from next month. So it means that our returns will be more. Yeah, but still you have to select the spread. So I always put it in the 3.0. Then I'll enter the amount I want to trade with. 0.61. Then you select all the exchanges and you execute trade. Yeah, so you can see that my wins is 147, the loss is 4. Yeah, like the boat was giving us profit, but when they were testing the spread, that's where the losses fall in. But currently, since 2 weeks or 3 weeks now, we have been making profits without any losses. Yeah. So you can see that right now, I'm in a trade right now and it's connecting to the exchange. It's just simple. You can just close it, and when you come, you get your profit added up into your regular wallet and you can withdraw any day, anytime. I haven't like since I started selling this boat, I haven't like get any complaint from users that when I was trying to withdraw, I was finding difficulty in withdrawing. No, withdrawal is 24/7. You can withdraw it anytime, any day you want. Yeah, like you can. The only time you have problem with the boat is when you violated their policy. Yeah, and that one is not only the boat. Any exchange that you violated their policy, like you'll be having a hard time or difficult time. We all have witnessed some before. Yeah. So after that, like when you're withdrawing your money and stuff, everything goes through. Everything goes through. Since I'm talking about these boats, he like past 1 year, and whenever a user tries to withdrawal works 24/7. You can withdraw your money any day, anytime you want. Yeah, I haven't experienced a user telling me that when I was withdrawing, like I didn't receive my money. No, your regular wallet you can withdraw anytime, any day you want. The only time that like you'll be facing difficulties when you want to close your accounts. They have account closure policy. Yeah, you can't just wake up and say that I want to close my account. You see that thing? Yeah. So that's the only thing. But when you are still in the trade and you want to withdraw your profit and stuff, that one can withdraw it any day, anytime, any day you want. Yeah. So if you have tried to withdraw and you're facing difficulty, you can comment for us to see, because nobody have complained to me that they are threatening us something like that before. Yeah, so it means that the bot is really working for people and people are making money from it as well. Yeah, it's a win-win thing. Yeah, the bot help you make profit, and you also pay the bot, yeah, at the end. Yeah, so just that's how it is. Yeah, that's how it is. Yeah, so you can see that it's doing the preheating, and this one you can close it and open it anytime, any day. And when the boat is done, your profit will be in your wallet. Yeah, you have to know that this one is not financial advice. You can do your research before you venture into it, and know that it's crypto, so you have to risk what you can lose and what you can win. Yeah. Yeah, so currently it's warming up connection and fetching live prices. So when it's done with this, then it will jump straight to what? Jump straight to the arbitrage, and that's where the magic what works. Yeah. So you can see that I've already made 5,104 profit, and this one can withdraw it any day, anytime I want. Yeah, any day, anytime I want. Yeah, without any stress. The only time that like they'll ask me questions when I want to what close my account, withdraw everything from the arbitrage wallet. That's the only thing. But if I want to withdraw regular wallets, that one I can withdraw it any day, any time I want. Yeah. So currently it's doing the arbitraging. So here is when the magic works. It will show you where it's buying for the lower price and where it's selling at the higher price, and the spread that it's using. You see that it's using 1.5 spread and stuff. So it means that the higher the spread, the higher the returns. So you can see that when it's using higher spread, that means after the trade, I'll be earning higher return. That's how it is. So when the bot is trading, you have to study the spread that is trading on as well. Yeah, if the spread is 0.000 something, that one you have to know that you are expecting lower returns. But when you're trading like let's say 1 point something spread 0.5 spread, that means you can say that I have 2.23 spread over there. Yeah, 2.04 spread as well. That means the spread are very good. And one thing is that it's trading with these signals. You can see that the chase. It's trading with these signals. So the bot also use these signals that give you for you to trade manually to also trade automatic. Everything. So the bot also work with the signals as well. It's a bot and it's also what work with the signals. Yeah. So when you check the signals here and you go to when you check the where it's buying and selling here and you go to the signals, you see that it's the same price and the same spread. That the bot is what buying and selling it. Yeah, it's the same thing. This one it just traded the jump USDT. Yeah, jump USDT 1.2. It just traded with the that coin too. Have you seen it? Yeah. So it give you where it's buying, where it's selling. Yeah. And if you join my class for this month, you'll be getting the boats for free. I'll be giving you the boats for free and also show you how to use the boats to make money as well. Yeah, you have to know that this one is not an investment app. This one is a trading boat. It's a trading boat. So if you know much about crypto arbitrage, you know that this one is what a trading boat that give you legit signals to trade. You see that thing that give you legit signals to trade. Yeah, so it's not an investment platform that you invest and they will tell you that if you invest this thing, like I'll be giving you this profit. No, this one is what is their it's a trading platform. It's a crypto arbitrage bot that auto trade for you. Yeah, so when you read their policies and stuff, you see everything. Yeah, so the boat works for you, and you also pay the boat for its service. That's how it is. It's a win-win thing. Yeah, so the arbitraging is almost done. Yeah, executing buy or sell order across exchanges. So it's almost done. Yeah, so it's almost done. Yeah, so you can see that this is my expected profit. That's what 55.92. Yeah, yesterday my profit was like I earned 166.92. Yesterday I make money for just one trade though. Yeah. So this one is just for one trade, 55.92 USDT. That's my expected profit. Yeah, and I still have another trade to carry on. Just like that. The bot will do all the works for you and you just have to what, cash out. Soft life, bro. That is soft life, bro. Yeah, so you can say that everything it will add up. Everything, yeah. So just like that, just soft like that. Yeah, so thank you for watching me. I'm Crypto Lord, and if you need the boats, chat me. If you want to join the class, I have the link in the bio and the description, comment section as well. Just buy your ticket for just $20. If you want to buy it with crypto, just DM me and I'll send you my address for you to pay it on, and after that I'll add you to the class group. Yeah, so I'm Crypto Lord.